Hey everybody, Marine Doctor here. How are you guys today? Hopefully everything's going well for you. This is a 70 horsepower Johnson that was, believe it or not, bogging on acceleration. It was having extended idle problems, so when he would pull it back to neutral, the engine would run too fast. It didn't want to slow down, so he would continually tighten up the barrel here and make sure that, or try and pull the assembly back. But what it actually turned out was, oh, and I should also mention, the shifter part was easy, but the throttle was really hard to push down. So I disconnected the cables and started moving these pieces independent, and sure enough, it was due to baked grease or hard grease, or grease that's lost its grease consistency and basically turned into a more of a glue type compound. So I oiled the top, didn't grease it, up underneath here. I took all this apart, cleaned it with carb cleaner, put it back together with a light film of grease. Now we want to use a light film of grease because we could always be around dust or dirt in conditions of towing down the road and whatnot, and grease really attracts dirt and likes dirt. Dirt eventually works itself in and turns that grease into cake, and things don't function properly anymore. So for those that are out there, you should be able to just pull back in here and it should snap back. And the same goes for the larger one. If it was disconnected, if you move it, it should just snap back as free as this one does. All right, so those are some things to look for. Thank you.